ghost if she left behind here.
I'm just gonna start recording you all the time now, so you're like, just can't stop complaining that you're not in any of the videos. It's already warm, so I can do this. Whoa, that's pretty cool, huh? I love editing, but I don't like filming, so I should like film stuff. So I actually have things to do. Okay, are you all buckled up?
Yes.
Good job. Are you getting mad because I'm videotaping you too much now?
You can't videotape while driving, babe.
Oh, you don't think I can?
No. This is Rexmark.
I don't think they do.
No, they do.
Get them to get this exhaust snack, right? Whoa, pretty cool.
That was gnarly.
Bought out the other cars in the community. Maybe I'll just do it for my lap. That look cute?
No.
This is not a check you out video.
These are the seat belts. Very cool. Well, how do I flip it?
Silly lady. I'm gonna have to train you. You might not be the best cameraman right now.
It's not a stop sign.
Oh, he's crossing. I'm driving, not you.
Oh my god. Wife.
Wife. That's funny. I think they liked the car. Or hated it. Subarus don't like Evos. Should we do a little pull? A little pull again? Whoa.
Oh, this is how you take off the seat belt. Here, wait, ready?
Wow.
Ooh, train tracks. A little bumpy. Fuel economy. A co-pilot for today. Definitely not the easiest type of seatbelts to have. Okay, let's go pick up Jenna from class.